classroom expectations. Every day you must turn on your video or explain in Spanish why you cannot turn on your video. Complete your classwork for the day. Participate by speaking in English or Spanish when called upon. If you are absent, it is your responsibility to complete the day's slide on the day you missed. If it is not complete, points will be taken off for your classwork grade. Everyone is expected to complete Wellness Wednesday activities on Mrs. McDonald's slides. This also counts towards your classwork grades. If it is not complete, points will be taken off your grade. If you have any questions, please message me and I will help you.